with the title. Once it is done with the title, just let me know so that we can start with the session. Once your title is done, title row, this whole template is done, just let me know so that we can start with the session. Isometric projection. Isometric projection. Anyone has any question, they can ask. Not at all a problem. Yeah, Mayank, sheet 6. Sheet 6, it is isometric projection. Put down isometric projection, sheet 6. Class and roll number to be written with the pen. Class and roll number to be written with the pen. And sheet 6, title, isometric projection. Date of performance, today's date, yes. Date of performance, today's date for both the sheet 5 and sheet 6. Class and roll number, write it with a pen. And see to it that there are two diagrams in the isometric. Both the diagrams have to draw it on one side of the page. Both the diagrams you have to draw it on one side of the page. Isometric projection, yes, isometric projection. Second problem, Moksha, you have to, I mean, not only you have to do, everyone has to do. But the second problem, everyone has to do by their own. Moksha is telling second problem we have to. Yes, you have to do. Done, everyone? Yes, Himanshu, please go on with the question. Yes, Himanshu, go on.
सर जो एक क्वेश्चन होमवर्क है तो उसके लिए एक सीट लीव कर दे हम लोग बीच में.
एक शीट लीव क्यों करना है? कौन सा होमवर्क?
नहीं सर, आपने ये क्वेश्चन लास्ट मॉर्निंग में किए ना, तो उसमें एक क्वेश्चन.
अरे तो सेकंड प्रॉब्लम जो है, द सेकंड प्रॉब्लम यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट ऑन अ सेम शीट ओनली ना.
ओके सर, ओके.
वो तो शीट 5 का ही प्रॉब्लम है ना, वो लीव क्यों करना?
यस सर.
Sheet 5 problem, the second problem you have to draw it on one side only, same side of the sheet only you have to draw. Yes, both the problems, very good man. Both the problems should be drawn on the same page. Yes, same page, not on a different page, on same side. Same page, same side.
Yes sir.
Just mute yourself. Everyone done with the title and all? If it is done, we'll move further. Yes, it is. Is it done? Just inform me in the chat. So everyone is done with the sheet title. Template is completed. Now listen very carefully what you have to do. Here why I am not making this thing in the AutoCAD, because there are very few minute things which are being coming in the order this isometric, which you have to draw it, and to notify that minute things, even I am drawing on the same side. मैं यहीं पे draw करूँगा आपके लिए. Now first we'll come to a basic, that what is an isometric, and few things related to as a note. Please note it down. It can come in the form of an MCQ for you in the exam. So first of all, the isometric is what? The isometric is the conversion of your 2D views into 3D. Okay, 2D views into 3D. Now here, in an isometric, converting the 2D views into 3D, So here two views are given. One is right hand side view and another is your front view. Right hand side view and the front view. We have to club these two and then we have to complete the 3D object. Complete 3D object banana. Now for that, what are the few things? What you have to see is just have a look. The very first thing what we have to do is we have to make one horizontal line. Okay, we have to make one horizontal line, and then that horizontal line perpendicular to that horizontal line will be making one vertical line. Okay, making one vertical line. Now the question comes that what is the height and length of the line? So this vertical line is representing the height of the figure, whereas the horizontal line is just a reference. Vertical line is representing the height of the figure, whereas the horizontal line is simply the reference. Now, after this, what you have to do is, now the question is where we have to draw. Okay, now the question comes is where we have to draw. So what you can do is from the border of the top, from the border top, what you can take it is from the top you can take 100 mm. Listen carefully. From the top you will be taking 100 mm and from the left side you will be taking 100 mm. Is it clear? From the top you will be taking 100 mm and from the left hand side you will be taking 100 mm such that I am locating this point. Keep it in mind, everyone. I am locating this point. ये point locate कर रहा हूँ बच्चों. 100 mm from the top and 100 mm from the left. Is it clear? 100 mm from the top and 100 mm from the left. Is it clear? So if it is clear, then what you do is you simply draw the vertical line and horizontal line. Vertical line and horizontal line, just draw it. 100 mm from the top and 100 mm from the left. So the vertical line is at the center of the horizontal line. You can take it. You can take it. That's not a problem. But whatever things are there, please do it little faster so that we can complete the problem. There are two problems. I'll try to complete both the problems. So, is it done till here? Repeat in the sense from the black border line, which is on the top horizontal. From there, you take 100 mm below, and from the left vertical line, you take 100 mm left side. The vertical line is having a length is the height of the figure. बच्चों height of the figure कितना है बता सकता है कोई? Can anyone tell me what is the height of the figure? Now, before saying height of the figure, you have to understand that which view has the height. Which view has the height? Okay, na? Yes, Yash is correct. Yash is saying 47. Yes, Bhavya is also correct. Hamza is also correct. आज हमजा थोड़ा सा एक्टिव हो गया. That's good. Sejal is also correct. Cover good. So it means almost everyone is telling 47. From where you got this 47? Few people might not be able to see. तो ये देखो ये है 47. ये देखो ये है 47. 47. So 37 plus 10. Yeah, 37 plus 10 is your 47 height. So the height of this line will be 47. Height of this line will be 47. Come on, just everyone draw it till here. Slowly, as the diagram will go, I'll just explain all the things, whatever is required. So height of the figure is 47. Once done, let me know so that we can move further. Once done, just let me know so that we can move further. Okay, so perfect. So done till here. Now what is the next you have to do is you have to make the two lines. Students, just have a look. From this point you have to make two lines. The two lines will be at an angle of 30 degree. एक यहाँ पर बनाना है और एक यहाँ पर बनाना है. 30 degree inclination. Two lines you have to make it at an angle of 30 degree. Now the question comes, what is the length of the line? You can take it random. You can take it random, but both the lines are at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Both the lines are at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Both the lines are at an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal. Light line you have to make it. Light line you have to make it, guys. Light line you have to make it. Later on I'll use some other color so where the things are to be made dark. So light line right now make it. ओके, तो डिस्कनेक्ट करो फिर यहाँ से कैसे देना. So done this much. Perfect. Now we'll move further. In the case of this, now just tell me one thing, students. This is the we are having a front view and we are having a right hand side view. So if I'll make a front view here, बराबर से समझो. If I'll make a front view here, then what will be this view? Can anyone tell me? अगर मैंने front view यहाँ पर बनाया, there are two diagrams being given ना. If I make a front view here, then यहाँ पे कौन सा diagram बनाऊंगा? यहाँ पे तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू बनेगा. यहाँ पे कौन सा व्यू बनेगा? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड व्यू. If I am making a front view here, that means I am looking from here. So in that case मैं यहाँ पर कौन सा व्यू बनाऊंगा? LHS. कौन सा बनाऊंगा बच्चों? LHS. Is it clear which diagram I'll be making? LHS. But in the diagram, in the question, they have not given me LHSV. Okay, उन्होंने LHSV नहीं दिया. तो अगर LHSV नहीं दिया तो that means we'll go wrong somewhere. That is why we'll make a front view here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर बनाएंगे हम. यहाँ पे क्यों बनाएंगे? Because if I'll make a front view here, then whatever comes here will be what? Right hand side view. Isn't it? Yes or no? यहाँ पे अगर हमने फ्रंट व्यू बनाया तो यहाँ पे कौन आएगा? राइट हैंड साइड. And which will be going as per the question. Yes or no, students? So first, that is the important part what we have to decide. That front view हमको कहाँ बनाना है and the other view where we have to make it. हाँ, right में LHSV आता है ना ईशा, that is applicable in the case of orthography. It is not in the case of isometric. Okay, isometric में whatever is given we have to make it there itself. ठीक है ईशा? ओके, सो इफ आई मेक, बच्चों ये देख लो, अगर इफ आई मेक अ फ्रंट व्यू हियर, देन which व्यू विल बी कमिंग हियर? Once again, if I make a front view here, then this here it will be coming left hand side view. But in the question it is not given you left hand side view. That is why we'll make a front view here, and then here what it will come? What it will be coming here then? RHSB, very good. So RHSB already यहाँ पर है. Based on this, ठीक है? Based on this, what we will do is we will make this 63 here. तो अभी इसका लेंथ कितना रहेगा? ये लाइन का लेंथ कितना रहेगा बच्चों? 63. कितना रहेगा बच्चों? 63. Just make this length of the, here you make it 63. Come on. By taking that 63, what we will do is we will create a box. ऐसे हम बॉक्स बनाते हैं, ठीक है? ये 63 होगा इतना, सॉरी दिस इज 63 एंड दिस इज हाउ मच, व्हिच इज योर, ऑलरेडी आपने हाइट बताया था 47. ये 63 by 47 का हो गया, ये 63 हो गया और ये 47 हो गया. This is 63 and this is 47. Make the box. Come on. Now the whole thing will be working on the frame of roller scale. This line will be parallel to this line and this line will be parallel to this line. ये लाइन इससे पैरेलल होगी और ये लाइन जो है वो इससे पैरेलल. Use the roller scale and things will be going to be in a proper way. रोलर स्केल यूज करके ड्रॉ करो. ये लाइन 63 होगा, ये 47 and then you make a box. It will be, seems to be like a rhombus, but yes, it is fine. Once you are done, let me know. Okay, so with this, once you have done, we'll move further. ठीक है? We'll move further बच्चों. कैसे करते देखो आगे. Now next is you have drawn, you have completed with this box. Now 63 is done here. Remaining is what? ये कितना है बच्चों? 40, right? ये कितना है? 40. So 40 you will be drawing here and complete the box. So वो कैसे करेंगे? Just have it. We'll take 40 here and we'll complete the box. Getting it? This is your 40. ये अभी आपका कितना हो गया? ये हो गया 40 and this will be your height, which is your 47. You can see here 40. ये 63 हमने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर लिया. So this becomes your 40. क्यों? What is this? Right hand side view में we are able to see the height and the width, right? Right hand side view, in a side view we are able to see the height and we are able to see the width. So width we are having 40, length we are having 63 and the height we are having 47. So हमने length बनाया, width बनाया, अब ये height बनाया. Come on, draw it, complete it and let me. After this, what you do is you just complete this box like this. This is the complete box what we have made it. Just complete this box. Yes, when I bolo.
सर अभी जो किया वो बता दो ना, लाइक जो अभी लाइन मारा.
ये वाला.
हाँ.
This line is parallel to this line.
ओके
And
ओके.
this line is parallel to this line.
अच्छा अच्छा, सॉरी सर.
That's all.
थैंक यू.
So once done, just let me know. Now you all can see a box. The box in which we will be drawing the whole figure. We are all able to see the box. We are able to see the box, and within this box we'll be drawing a whole diagram. So once it is done, just let me know.
सर 30 डिग्री क्यों लिया रेफरेंस लाइन से?
आता हूँ, इसके ऊपर आता हूँ.
हेलो सर.
हाँ, complete. Let me complete the box and then वो 30 degree पे आता हूँ. Why it is? Okay. Everyone just complete the box and then we'll give the answer of Aradhya. So Aradhya, mute yourself. Perfect. So now what will be what is the question is why we are taking this 30 degree. Now 30 degree is the what you say 30 degree is the angle at which you can see the 2D figure into 3D best view. Abhi right now when I am showing you this particular figure, this particular box, are you able to see 2D or 3D? Can you all let me know? Is it 2D or 3D? I still say it is a 2D. Why is it so? Because you are not able to see the portion which is here ना, यहाँ पर जो कुछ भी है या यहाँ पे कुछ भी जो है अंदर. Are you able to see the backside portion? We are not able to see, right? We are not able to see. So basically on a paper, on a piece of a paper, we will not be able to draw the 3D perfectly. But we are trying to come closer to the diagram which looks like the 3D. Okay? We are trying to come closer to the diagram which looks like 3D. And based on that, when it was being observed, that particular object is to be seen in a 3D. This was the appropriate angle which was being defined, on which you were able to see the maximum, the appropriate view of 3D on a 2D page. And that is why we are taking 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle is the angle at which we are able to best view the 2D figure into 3D format. That is also on a piece of a paper. I hope it is clear, everyone. Yeah. So now coming to next is now how to draw it. Now the very first thing what you have to do, students, is whatever is given in the front view, जो भी कुछ दिया हुआ है front view में, exactly whatever is given in the front view, exactly what you do is you place it on this plane. As it is given on in a front view, exactly you place it on this plane, and then slowly we will move further. So the thing, whatever the diagram is given, the exact diagram you place it here. Let's have a look at how it is being placed. So this 63 we are making it here. After then this 14. So for that 14, what I'm doing is I'm just going above 14, and then what I'm doing is I'm just reaching to that cell. In this way, right? Is it clear, students? Everyone? Yes, come on, draw it till here. Light line banana. So what we are supposed to do is the thing whatever is given, the exact same आपको कहाँ बनाना है, इधर बनाना. अब बच्चों, now the next question comes is, सर यहाँ पे तो पूरा रेक्टेंगल है ही नहीं, आपने पूरा क्यों बनाया? ये पूरा रेक्टेंगल तो नहीं है यहाँ पे, ऐसे पूरा रेक्टेंगल तो नहीं है ना, ये ऐसे पूरा रेक्टेंगल तो नहीं है. But why we have made complete rectangle? I am just showing you this, okay, such that we are making a this lighter line. Later on, we'll complete it into a dark line. What about what distance you have to draw that line? See, it is written here, na bachcha. It is written here. Already दिया है ना कितने distance पे बनाना है. ठीक है? It is written already. So now, what we'll be doing next is we'll be drawing here one line. This somewhat seems to be like that. Yes, students. Yeah. Bhavya, please go on with your question.
सर ये जो आपने वर्टिकल लाइन बनाया वो ओ वाले लाइन के ऊपर आए, वो ओ लाइन से आएगा ना, क्योंकि इंटरसेक्शन राइट हैंड साइड से वहां पे हो रहा है.
I didn't get you. 1 second.
ये सर आपने जो वर्टिकल लाइन बनाया अभी,
हाँ, ये वाला
हाँ वो राइट साइड में आएगा ना.
इधर आएगा, राइट?
यस सर.
क्यों इधर राइट में?
हाँ क्योंकि सर राइट हैंड साइड से इंटरसेक्शन हो रहा है तो फिर वो वहां उस तरफ आएगा.
नहीं, वो मैं बताऊंगा आपको कैसे हो रहा है. I'll tell you. Right now, focus on the things how it is going. So is it done till here, students? Exactly whatever is given here, exactly you draw it here. Whatever is given here. I request you all, please go with the same thing what is given. Whatever is given here, please go with that. Now someone is asking from my behind that sir इसका distance कितना है? अभी यहाँ से इसका distance के लिए पूछने की जरूरत है. ये 63 है, ये 44 है, तो ये कितना होगा? ये 63 है, ये 44 है, तो ये कितना होगा? But in that case, this is also the distance what we is missing. ठीक है? So 63 minus 44 बच्चों कितना होता है? 63 minus 44 is how much? 63 और ये 40, 19 mm. Very good. अब ये 19 mm जो है, हम क्या करेंगे उसको यहाँ पे 9 ले लेंगे और यहाँ पे 10 ले लेंगे. Take here 10. Now how come I got to understand that this is 10 and this is 9? It is just if it is not given, we are supposed to consider. If it is not given, we are supposed to consider. Yes, Jihan, go on.
सर the लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाला 10 इज गिवन, ऊपर 10 डायमेंशन दिया हुआ है. आपने जिसको 9 लिखा है ना वहाँ पे वो 10 है, डायमेंशन दिया है ऊपर.
कहाँ पे दिया? ये वाला 10 बोल रहा है ये?
नहीं सर, जहाँ पे आपने 9 लिखा है वही ऊपर.
जहाँ पे मैंने 9 लिखा है वहाँ पे.
उसके
अच्छा
ऊपर 10 दिया है.
ऊपर दिया है क्या? अच्छा मुझे नहीं दिख रहा. ओके अच्छा ओके. सो इफ इट इज गिवन 10, वेरी गुड. तो ये 9 होगा बच्चों. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. थैंक यू जियान, थैंक यू सो मच. सो हियर इट इज 10. वेरी गुड. इट इज गिवन 10. तो ये हम 9 ले लेंगे बच्चों. ठीक है. ये ऑफलाइन वाले सब मेरा स्क्रीन ही देख रहे हैं. ठीक है. दे आर हैविंग ऑलरेडी द डायग्राम, वो नहीं देख रहे. चलो सो ये 10 हो गया. सो दिस इज 10, this is 14, and come on, start drawing then. Last I have drawn. We have not drawn anything yet. This is the distance what we have taken, 14. This distance we have taken that is 9 plus 44. ये distance 9 plus 44 हो गया. And this distance we reach it till the topmost. We reach it till the topmost. And this distance is your 10. ये कितना distance है? 10. This is 10, which is given here. Okay. Once you have drawn, we'll continue further. We'll just make few more things which are being mentioned in the front view. ये एक line यहाँ पर है. Now the question is at what distance it is. ये कितने distance पे? यहाँ से. यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना डिस्टेंस है? तो देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 37. ठीक है, so that is your 37. So from the bottom at a distance of 37 you make this line. Isha, nothing to be erased. Nothing to be erased. Will make a dark line as per the figure. Later on. If we have drawn, nothing to be erased. Some from where 37. From bottom, यहाँ से 37 height. ये देखो यहाँ पे कैसा लिखा 37. From the bottom, you have to take 37. From the bottom, you have to take 37. Come on, do it fast. ये पूरा complete करो तो फटाफट. Now people are asking that how did you do that slant line? So you can see here it is 25. It is mentioned here 25 students. ये देखो यहाँ पे 25 दिया हुआ है. So from here you take 25 above and from this side you mark 9. ये तो 9 बचा है ना हमारा यहाँ पे. So from this side 9. Wherever you get the 2 points, you connect it. No, it is not touching. 37 here, from here it is 37. These two lines are not touching each other. It is not touching here as well. यहाँ पर भी touch नहीं हो रहा. So is it done till here? Everyone done till here? Everyone done? Okay. Now just have a look. Student, just tell me one more thing. This will be deciding your all the factors. Now, if I am seeing a pencil, okay, अगर मैं आप एक pencil को देखता हूँ, so in which case the pencil will be seems to be like a point. कौन सा case होगा where the pencil will be looking like a point? In top view. In top view. Basically, I can say that if the pointer of a pencil is in front of my eyes, then I'll be able to see it as a point, isn't it? Yes or no? If the pointer of the pencil is in front of my eyes, then I'll be able to see it as a point. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So in that case, by being here as a front view, मैं यहाँ पर रहता हूँ तो मुझे point कहाँ दिख रहा है बच्चों? देखो मुझे एक point यहाँ दिख रहा है, 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 यहाँ दिख रहा है, यहाँ दिख रहा है, यहाँ दिख रहा है. Yes or no बच्चों? बोलो जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट. Yes or no? These are all the points where I am able to see the corners. मैं corner दिख रहा है ना मुझे सब. Okay. So wherever I am getting a corner, that means back side of it there is a line, isn't it? Yes or no? Wherever I am able to see these intersections, there I can find out that back side of it there is a line. So that we based on that we will be making a line now. Just have a look. कैसे करेंगे? The very first is we will draw a line, one line here. ऐसे बना लेंगे. We will be drawing one line here. ऐसे बना लेंगे. Yes or no, students? We will be making one line here. ऐसे बना लेंगे. Yes or no? The rest of the lines I will be making it, but right now I will not make it because it will create a confusion. So ये clear है इतना? Everyone, is it clear till here? Any doubt? Please put it in a chat. So, sir, the last two lines which you draw now, do you have to draw? Yes, you have to draw. You have to draw it lightly. Light lines you have to make it. Light lines you have to make it. Sir, you are mute. Are mute? करके रखा था मैंने. I was just expecting that you people will draw something. Yeah, people has raised the hand. Yes, Vinay, बोलो.
हेलो सर,
बोलो.
वो स्लांट लाइन के नीचे जो है ना, जो एंड से बनाया आपने, हाँ हाँ
This
वो
one.
वाला,
Yeah, हाँ हाँ.
वो कैसे बनाना? लाइक मेरे को एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ, वो अभी समझेगा भी नहीं. आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि there is a corner.
यस यस सर.
हाँ, तो कॉर्नर के पीछे लाइन होती है, ये कंफर्म है.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो दैट्स ऑल. उतना ही दिमाग लगाना है, अभी कुछ लगाना है.
अच्छा ओके.
ठीक है. ओके, दैट मच. Yeah, someone else was there. Yes, come on, go on, Himanshu.
सर वो सेम ही डाउट था.
अच्छा, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
और सर वो लाइन अभी ड्रॉ करना है.
हाँ, जो भी ड्रॉ किया है वो ड्रॉ करना है, लाइट लाइन से करना है.
ओके सर.
सर उसको पैरेलल टू अबव लाइन बनाना है ना. हाँ हाँ, पैरेलल ही बनाना है. ऑल द थिंग्स शुड बी डन पैरेलल. यस, गो ऑन. जिहान.
सर वो जो स्लैंट लाइन के पीछे वाला लाइन है वो हिडन लाइन होगा ना?
नहीं नहीं होगा, मैं बताऊंगा, उसको कंप्लीट करूंगा. राइट नाउ डोंट दिस कंप्लीट द थिंग्स. एक इसमें बहुत कुछ बाकी है. ठीक है, लेट मी गो स्लोली स्लोली. We are only having a focus that wherever I got a corner point, I have made a line, isn't it? That's all. म्यूट कर दिया इसने अपना. वेरी गुड. चलो ईशा बोलो.
सर वो लाइन ऊपर वाले जैसे आपका ऊपर वाले कॉर्नर की तरफ जा रहा है ना, नीचे वाली लाइन,
नीचे वाली लाइन जो है वो, हाँ, ये ऊपर वाले कॉर्नर की
तो
तरफ.
मतलब हम मेरे फिगर में वो उधर नहीं जा रहा, थोड़ा लेफ्ट में वो.
हाँ, चलेगा, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. वी आर जस्ट नॉट मेकिंग इट येट, so let me complete it. ठीक है, so simply you just make a line, that's all. ये लाइन जो है वो इसके पैरेलल होगा, that's all. ठीक है, ये लाइन एंड ये लाइन will be parallel to each other. Okay, that much is done, everyone. Perfect. Now from the top, when you see, once again you are able to see this corner. From the top when you are seeing, once again you are able to see the corner. तो फिर से हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे वापस से एक लाइन ड्रॉप करेंगे. ठीक है, वापस से एक लाइन ड्रॉप करो. ड्रॉ करो इतना तो. So the question comes as, sir, the line which you have drawn now, will it intersect or be on the left or on the right of that vertical? You don't worry about it right now. Simply draw a vertical line. That's all. Simply draw a vertical line. When you draw this vertical line, automatically that vertical line will intersect with this horizontal line. Automatically, when the vertical line is drawn, automatically this will be crossed with this horizontal line. Once you got that horizontal line, we'll connect it with this line. I hope the figure is now slowly getting clear. Everyone done till here? Yes, everyone done till here? Diagonal random लेना है। कौन सा diagonal random लेना है? This is not अरे don't consider. Few people are understanding. Cover, you are understanding that this line and this line is matching. Is it? It is not like that. You are simply making a horizontal line like this, and then it is convert just intersecting with this vertical line. That's all. And then you are making this line here. इतना ही समझो अभी फिलहाल. ठीक है? You repeat all the dimensions. Dimensions are already finalized. ना यहाँ पे बच्चा this was 40, this was 63, and the height what was there was 47. Starting from here till this line it was 37. Starting from this line till here it is 25, and from here till here it is 44. It is given here 44. Rest all we have just extended a line, and then it was intersecting. Wherever it was intersecting, we extended the line more. So till here it is done. Everyone till here it is done. Please just reply. Yeah, okay, fine. Now just have a look. Here it is. This is right hand side view, है ना? ये मेरा right hand side view है, students. This is my right hand side view. In this right hand side view, you can see there is something. ये क्या बना हुआ है? Are you able to see this? Everyone. So in the same way, we have to make that here once again. So देखते हैं उसको कैसे बना सकते हैं. First of all, what you do is you just mark a center point of this line. Mark a center point of this line. ये इतना distance जो है 40, उसका center point mark करो. Everyone just make a center point of this line. You have marked the center point. After then, see this is 8. ये 8 दिया हुआ है बच्चों. कितना दिया हुआ है? 8. At a distance of 8, center line से vertically at a distance of 8, we'll be making one line like this. Students, at a distance of 8, we'll be making the center line. This line in this way. What is the length of this line? So we have taken right now random. We have taken it random right now. At a distance of 8, the distance is 8 here. Okay, this distance is 8 here. So once it is done, let me know. Once it is done, please let me know. Okay. Now, what you have to do next is, from the center point, you make one line like this. Light line banana, parallel to this line. Parallel to this line, you have to make it. Okay, ये line and this line will be parallel. This line and this line will be parallel. Is it done? Everyone? Okay. After then, you have to follow this. ये 19 लिखा हुआ है बच्चों. What is it 19? यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance. This distance is 19. So what is 19 का half? Huh? 9.5, 9.5. So 9.5 will mark it here and 9.5 will mark it here. 9.5, 9.5 left side, right side will mark it. 9.5 right side and 9.5 left side will mark it. That total becomes 19. Is it done till here? Everyone? Is it done till here? Okay. After then, we are having the next part, which is this 10. ये देखो 10 दिख रहा है. So what we will be making 10 is from this center point we'll be taking 10, 5 here and 5 here. 5 right side and 5 left side. Then this will be connected. Is it clear, students? Everyone, is it clear? Everyone done? Yes, everyone. Okay. So you have done till here. Now the things whatever I am making it with a magenta color, this pink color, that much you can make it dark. Okay. So that slowly things will be clear now. इतना आप डार्क बना दो. ठीक है. Just make down dark. Come on. Okay. Done. Okay. After this, what we will be doing? Now onwards, we have to think little bit now from the right hand side as well. Things will be seen from the right hand side as well. So this much things, whatever I have made it with a magenta, will be made dark. अभी देखते हैं हम लोग right hand side में और क्या दिया. तो right hand side में one thing is mentioned Which is this portion? कौन सा? ये देखो ये वाला portion. ये ऐसे turn किया है ना? Yes or no बच्चों? This much. So what we will be doing is first, listen. First what we will be doing is we'll be marking a center point of this line. हम इसका center point mark करें. We'll be marking a center point of this line. Come on. It is just a reference center line. We are marking it. So I hope you have drawn it. इसका center point mark किया, इसका center point mark किया. Wherever I got a center point, I've just connected it. So once you have done, please just let me know. Once you have done, please let me know. Okay. So what we will be doing here is now we'll be making this 20. ये 20 बनाना है. So from here 10 left side and 10 right side. ठीक है? 10 left side. This seems to be coming here. And 10 right side which seems to be coming here. तो वहाँ पे एक line draw कर दो. This way. And this way. Once you have drawn this, make this as a darker. Then this will be also this much darker. And then this will be connected with this part. Similarly, here also. Just draw it till here, come on. So till here things are being done. Now let's move further. Further in the sense we have to move it, we have to see here. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो point था, this point I'll be taking it this side. Light line, again I'm telling you, light line. The point I'll be getting, the moment I'll be getting a point, what I'll do is I'll just connect it with this. से connect कर दो. ठीक है? Just do it till here, then I'll tell you what is the next. You don't delete it. If I'm deleting anything, you don't delete it. It is just to remove your confusion. Whatever you have drawn is correct. You have to make only things to be darker. Whatever the things are being said to be as darker. You don't erase anything. My lighter one is also seems to be like more darker. So that's why I'm just erasing it. So is it done till here? आगे चले? Should we move further? चलो अभी आगे देख. Yes. Sejal, write something else. Otherwise, I'm finding out that it is the previous one. Okay. So no issues. Chalo. So what we'll do next is we have to shift this. अभी देखो यहाँ पे सब लोग बच्चों यहाँ पे देखो that this rib, ये जो rib है, just have a look that this rib, what you are having here, when you see from side view, which is right hand side view, it is coming in between. Yes or no, bachcho? This rib, what you have drawn it here, when you see a side view, it is coming in between. Means center line se 3.5 left and 3.5 right. So in similar way, what we have to do, we have to think about this rib something then. चलो अब कैसे करेंगे इसको? ये जो center line already आपने बनाया है, from there you will drop one line down, and then you will drop that. You will take that line till here. Again, light line. Every time I'm telling you light line, because your diagram should seems to be like you are drawing the different figure. तो ऐसे मैंने line draw कर दिया. This is just representing a center line. It is just representing a center line, बच्चों. ये जो center line यहाँ पर है, ये वाला वो center line हम बनाया उधर. This center line. Okay, that center line we have made it. Okay, once you have done that, after then what you have to do, once again देखो यहाँ पर फिर से मुझे point दिख रहा है, तो point को मैं क्या करूँगा, वहाँ पे shift करूँगा पीछे, light line. And similarly, I am getting a point here as well. I will shift that point once again. ऐसे shift करूँगा. This point I have shifted back side, and यहाँ पर rib का एक point था, उसको भी मैंने कहा किया back side shift कर दिया. ठीक है. Is it done till here? So next is what we have to do is we got already the line here. यहाँ पे हमको line मिल गया, right? So अभी ये जो line है वो line पे as it is 7 here mentioned. कहाँ पे 7 mention है? देखो यहाँ पे 7 mention है. So what you do is from this point 3.5 right side and 3.5 left side. Mark a point. Similarly, on this line also 3.5 right side and 3.5 left side. Mark a point. Come on, everyone, just mark the points. And then join the lines like this. अब ये जो होगा वो डार्क. So this is the final diagram. I'll just erase it for you all so that you can understand. Yes, Himanshu बोलो.
सर हमने जो ये 3 यहाँ से 3.5 लिया है,
Yes.
फिर वहां से वर्टिकल लाइन लेना है नीचे डाउनवर्ड.
3.5 आपने लिया उधर.
हाँ सर, यहाँ पे लिया.
At the same time 3.5 यहाँ भी ले लिया.
सर यहाँ पे तो मैंने ऐसा पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करके सर रोलर स्केल करके सर ड्रॉ यूज किया.
वो भी चलेगा. तो 3.5 लेके ये the rim once you have completed then ये end point से you drop one line and ये point से एक line पीछे लेके जाओ. Wherever they are meeting that becomes the complete rim.
ओके सर. नहीं सर, ये यहाँ से डाउनवर्ड एक लेके जाना पड़ेगा लाइन ना, वर्टिकली.
Wait a minute, I'll just check. क्या है वो? एक मिनट. What you have needed, sir? Let me check. कहाँ गया हिमांशु? हिमांशु Himanshu, your this voice is not audible. You are already. Himanshu is here. हाँ जी हाँ बोलो.
Sir, we don't have to erase the light lines, right?
No, you don't have to erase anything. You don't have to erase anything. It was just to make you the little clear view. That's why I just erased it. Yes, Himanshu, बोलो.
सर ये यही हम पूछ रहा था, ये यहाँ से वर्टिकल लाइन ड्रॉ करना है ना हमें.
कहाँ से बता रहे हो? फिर से बताओ.
सर ये सेंटर लाइन से 3.5 सेंटीमीटर हम 3.5 mm लिया यहाँ पे साइड में.
हाँ वहाँ से ड्रॉप करो.
वहाँ से वर्टिकल लाइन नीचे लेना है ना.
यस वहाँ से नीचे ड्रॉप करो. वहाँ से
सर
नीचे
यहाँ
लाइन.
से
हाँ वहाँ से नीचे लाइन ड्रॉप करो.
ओके सर, यहाँ से रेट आउट था.
Right now, who was speaking? Right now, who was speaking? Yes. Can you raise your hand once again? Yes. You just now asked a doubt. Who was that person? Can you raise your hand? Yeah, Himanshu, no issues. Wait a minute. Yes, please. So now, till here we have done. The last part, what we have to understand is, so we have just to have the dark the lines. Yes, we have to dark the lines. One more thing is pending. What is this one? From here, we have to make a line backside, such that the hollow slot will be seen. This line will be parallel to this line. This line will be parallel to this line. That completes your whole diagram. So once everyone is done, please let me know so that we can move to second diagram. Yes, Sejal, just put on your camera. Raise the hand and put on your camera.
Yes, sir.
That's all. Yeah. Guys, should I stop the screen share first? Everyone. या फिर एक काम कर रुको रुको हाँ share your screen. Perfect, Sejal, perfect. Very good, अच्छा है. Good one. The diagram is complete now. Sejal, mute yourself. So the diagram is completed now with this particular thing. Now the second diagram will be drawing. The second diagram will be this one. चलो मैं ये erase करता हूँ. Yeah, this is the second diagram. What we have to make it, बच्चों. So can we start with this? चलो start करो. The second diagram. Let's start. Come on, start करो diagram बनाना. चलो everyone. Start doing the second diagram. height 65 होगा. Let me check. It is the height will be this much, and then the diameter of the circle 60, and then it is 15. 75 होगा ना बच्चों. This total is 60. 50 है. नहीं, this is how much? 30. So this is 60 na total. This is total 60 and this is 15. So this is 75. The height is 75. Yes. Sir, here front view will be down and top view will be up. Yes. In this case, how it will be? Dekho. So you will be drawing first the front view. So front view कहाँ पे बनाओगे? Now the question comes once again. कि front view हम बनाएंगे कहाँ पे? So in this case, what you can do is you have one more reference. This is O written. ये O होता है. So O के left side में this whole diagram gonna be coming, right? O के left side में this whole diagram is coming. It is written here, right? ये देखो O है. This is O. So O के left side में the whole diagram is coming. That means what? Your this diagram, this particular diagram will be coming here. ये वाले box में आएगा. Did you understood? In this box it will be coming. And then width is how much? 60. So this line will be 60. ये आपका 60 होगा. Getting it? Width is 60. So with this, we'll complete the box. And then this box will be completing this figure. I hope it is clear. The very first is you will be drawing the front view here itself. आप front view यहीं पर बनाएंगे और फिर slowly by seeing a top view as well, we'll complete the whole figure. I hope it is clear, everyone. Okay. So the second diagram you are supposed to do it by your own. At the same time, section of solid and DLS का भी second diagram you have to do it by your own. How to draw the circle in the final diagram? हाँ, तो circle देख लो अभी. Circle के steps है. I'll just erase this part and then I'll show you how to draw the circle. In the case of the isometric, the circle seems to be like an ellipse. It seems to be like an ellipse. देखो कैसे करते हैं. हाँ, the length is 120. How come 120? 30 plus 40 plus 20 plus radius 30. 30, 30, 60, 60, 40, 100, 120. Yes, correct, 120. Now check with the how to draw with the circle. So if I want to draw the circle, of a radius, let's take an example that I am drawing a circle. ये circle बनाना है मुझे, and this circle is to be drawn. Let's take an example that the circle is having a radius of 40, and then I am making the circle in this way. ये ऐसे circle बनना है. So what will be the sides of the square? Can you tell me? If I am making a circle inside the square, what will be the sides of a square? What will be the sides of a square? So it will be similar to the diameter of a circle, isn't it? Yeah, it will be similar to the diameter of the circle. So in that way, suppose that I want to make this inner circle. ये inner circle हमको बनाना है, तो कैसे बनाएंगे? So here the diameter is given as 20 ना, 30 दिया, ये radius is 30, 20 है. So 20 given. So in that case, what we'll do is we'll first make a rhombus. Rhombus means ये 30 हो गया. Sorry, this is not 20, 20. So we'll take 20. ये height 20, 30 degree inclination. Then once again 30 degree parallel to this one, and then this line. ये ऐसे हमने बना दिया, ठीक है। अभी हमको इसमें सर्कल बनाना है बच्चों, ये समझते हैं कैसे बनाते। नाउ आफ्टर दिस व्हाट वी विल डू इज we will join the larger diagonal. This is the larger diagonal what we will join. So larger diagonal we are joining it. After then we are marking the center point of each side. Marking the center point of each side. Okay students, marking the center point of each side. After this we will be connecting the midpoint with the opposite vertex. Midpoint with the opposite vertex in this way. After this, how to make a circle? You have to take this much distance in your rounder. You have to take this much distance in your rounder. This as a center. ये center लेना है और एक ऐसे arc बनाना है. Are you getting it? In this way, you have to make an arc. In similar way, you have to take this much distance in your rounder. This as a center, and then you have to make this arc like this. ठीक है, ये ऐसे arc बनता है. Once you are done with this, please put down the steps. Please put down the steps. After this, what you will do is, after this, you will be having the next part. We will be taking this much distance in a rounder. ये distance rounder में लेंगे हम. Is it seen this color? Is seen? Color is seen in the. Okay. This much distance will be taking it in a rounder. Taking this as a center. ये center लेंगे. And then we'll complete this arc. ये arc बनाएंगे. ठीक है? In similar way, we will take this much distance in the rounder. ये इतना distance rounder में लेंगे. This as a center. और फिर हमको ये connect करेंगे. ठीक है? So ultimately the circle what you will be getting will be in the form of a ellipse और वो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. Are you getting it? So this is the way how to make the circle in the case of isometric. Okay? In the case of an isometric, this is the way you have to make a circle. So with this, if you have any doubt, you can ask it. Otherwise, you all can leave. The rhombus is 30. Yeah, rhombus length is 30. The rhombus length is 30. Yes. Anyone else has any question? Yes, Omkar. Bolo.
Sir, we have to not rub the lines, no? In the isometric projection.
No, you don't have to rub a line. You have to erase a line. You have to make a line in such a way that it should be so lighter that it should not come up, like in the sense, it should not be seen other than the things whatever is required. The line should be darker enough, that much only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Mute yourself. Yes, anyone else has any question, they can ask. Otherwise, you all can leave. Yeah, Jayant, bolo. Go on with the question.
Sir, can you repeat the steps after drawing the longest diagonal of the rhombus?
Longest, largest diagonal you have to complete it. Largest diagonal you have to connect it. After then you have to mark the midpoint of each side. Larger diagonal you have to connect it. After then you have to mark the midpoint of each side. And then opposite to the midpoint, the vertex which is being vacant, that vertex you have to connect it with the midpoint. Okay, vertex should be connected with the midpoint. Two opposite vertex will be connected to the midpoint. After then you have to take a smaller radius, make a smaller arc, take a bigger radius, make a bigger arc. That completes your whole rhombus. Yes, lecture में drawing क्या mistake हुई है यहाँ पर? Yes, you can show it to me, not a problem. Yes, yes, you have to make all front view, top view, and side view for all your business. Isha, what you can do is you can you can show me this your diagram in the WhatsApp or some of the other way. Let's complete the meeting and then at the last we'll take your question. No, you don't have any picture. Yes, yes, Jihan, bolo.
सर आपने एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करो ना. आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू समथिंग.
Screen share, I think so. I have just closed that diagram. If you are
सर
talking
आपने
about
टॉप व्यू वाला जो बॉक्स था ना वो राइट में बनाया था, तो हमको राइट में टॉप व्यू बनाना है कि वो ऊपर वाला जो बॉक्स है उसमें टॉप व्यू बनाना है? सेकंड
टॉप व्यू ऊपर वाले बॉक्स में बना. टॉप व्यू में सुनो बच्चा, टॉप व्यू में कौन सा दो पैरामीटर दिखता है जी? यहाँ side this width and the length, right? Jihan, I think so. Your network is having an issue. So in the side, in the top view, we are having width and the length. Okay, na? Similarly, in the side view, we have a width and the height. So I have only taken a width. That's all. बाकी आपको draw top view है तो top view से करना.
सर आपका आवाज कट हो गया था.
अच्छा, मेरा आवाज कट गया था. I thought your आवाज कट गया. Okay, so Jihan, what you have to do is like in top view you are having two parameters. One is width and one is length, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, side view has width and the height, right? So I have only taken the width to draw that complete box, but the top view you have to draw it from the top one.
Okay, so हम लोग को राइट साइड व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू और टॉप व्यू तीन चीज बनाना है.
नहीं, you have to make a 3D figure.
Yeah, but with the right side view, not the left side view, right?
हाँ, not a left side. Left side view या right side view दोनों भी दिया ही नहीं है ना. You have to only make it with
But
the
front view was in the left of O, so we'll have to draw right side view, right?
नहीं, you have only front you have drawn it. After then you have to convert slowly into 3D figure. मैंने कैसे अभी 3D फिगर में कन्वर्ट किया ना. मैंने राइट हैंड साइड व्यू बनाया क्या? मैंने नहीं बनाया. मैंने फ्रंट व्यू को ही धीरे-धीरे कन्वर्ट किया एंड इट शुड सीम्स टू बी लाइक अ राइट हैंड साइड व्यू का डायग्राम भी उसको ये करना चाहिए, जस्टिफाई करना चाहिए, राइट? So that is only the question. You don't have to draw all the three views at all the side of the box. You have to draw one of the view and then you have to slowly convert it into a 3D.
Okay, sir.
The 30-degree per box. Yes, you can say like that. Correct. राइट में टॉप व्यू नहीं बनाना है ईशा. यू हैव टू मेक अ टॉप व्यू कहाँ रहता है? टॉप व्यू की जगह पे रहेगा. टॉप व्यू ऊपर से रहेगा. राइट में क्यों बनाओगे? Yeah. Anyone else has any question? If it is there, please ask. Otherwise,